Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's me, Christopher, Wind Rain Creates again. Today I'm going to just take you through the steps once again with the run-in with the CNC here. Today, my mom's birthday is actually coming up, and she loves black bears, so I'm going to make her a black bear sign and has some like decals on it and stuff. But I hope you all enjoy the video. If you got any comments or questions or anything, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. But let's get into it, and hope you all enjoy.
Was thinking that we could be something for real. Now am I wrong? Am I wrong? For trying to reach the things that I can't see. That I can't see. Yo, Vanessa got the sauce. Ooh, that's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. Yeah. You think I'm wrong, right? But I do what I think is right. Can't handle you on my worst days. I lost too much, that's why I don't celebrate my birthdays. I lost too much, that's why I've been falling the earthquakes. I lost too much. Look, 什么是错，什么是对，什么是what I can't say。
Alright, y'all. Well, there you have it. There's a cool little bear sign. This is blank on the back, but you can always flip it around and rerun the engraving G-code again if you like. But there you go. I think it turned out great. And bonus is you have this cool little stencil you got as well. left over. But like I said, I hope you all enjoyed. If you all did, please, if I can encourage you to like and subscribe. If not, hope you all enjoyed and have a great day. Catch you on the next one.